Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And tonight we expect temperatures to drop down to the upper teens. We'll stay mostly in the upper teens, low 20s this evening with the cloudy skies. And eventually late this evening and into the early morning hours from southwest to northeast, some light snow will spread across the region, and that'll be impacting the area for later tonight and tomorrow morning. Could be some slick roads for the morning commute. May need to allow a little extra time. 8 o'clock, 20 degrees with some of that light snow falling, and additional snow showers through the day with 25 at noon and 26 degrees at 5 p.m. So our weather headlines calling for that snow to develop late this evening and into the early morning hours with an inch or less overnight. Snow on and off through the day on Thursday, additional 1 to 2 inches, so that'll push our totals up there to around 1 to 3 inches across the region. Frigid air in place still for Friday and Saturday, but finally moderating temperatures early next week, a chance of some rain and snow as we get to Sunday night. But look at those low temperatures this morning. 10 below at Pleasant Hill, 12 below up into Graff in Logan County. Officially at Dayton International Airport, 0, but many areas below 0 last night in the Arctic air, and especially with the deep snowpack that we have. And current weather check readings, David Wessler, New Paris at 19 degrees. John Kingham, Tip City, 25. John had an overnight low of 6 degrees below 0. And you can see a 25-degree reading, Barbara Richards in Kettering. Tom Wyckoff, 18 degrees over in Springfield. Snowfall forecast tonight and tomorrow, about 1 to 2 inches. From the Dayton area northward, maybe an outside shot at 3. Better chances, some 3-inch totals. Butler and Warren, Clinton, maybe the southern parts of Greene, southern Montgomery counties could be looking at some of the slightly heavier snowfall, but certainly nothing compared to Monday. Low temperatures tonight, upper teens here in the Dayton area, mid to upper teens north. And then as we check out those high temperatures tomorrow, mostly in the mid to upper 20s over the region before it turns a little bit colder again on Friday. Cloudy skies tonight on the Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems camera. It's dry on I-75 and Poe Avenue. Some light returns on the radar, mostly Virga, not making it to the ground, but there is an area of snow southwest of us in the lower Ohio River Valley. That is moving northeast when we'll reach the area late this evening and overnight. Here's your future track snowfall forecast showing that snow moving in late this evening and overnight, and then we'll be dealing with those snow showers through the day tomorrow, and then finally tapering off to flurries tomorrow night. And right now Friday looks mostly dry, but there may be a few buildups later in the morning and afternoon. Spit out a few flakes of snow. Can't rule out a couple of flurries on Friday, but getting back just some cold and mostly dry air at the end of the week and start of the weekend. Snow developing tonight, inch or less of accumulation, a low of 18. Periods of snow tomorrow, total accumulations by evening of about 1 to 3 inches, and a north wind at 5 to 15, climbing up to 26. Looks like 20s through the day, and the light snow more on than off, but just some light accumulations expected. 20 on Friday. We'll see that slight chance of flurries. 3 degrees Saturday morning with a high of 22. And then finally above freezing on Sunday. A chance of rain and snow towards Sunday night and Monday. Up to 40 on Monday and some low to mid 40s Tuesday and Wednesday next week.